Hi everyone! Today I will be giving you the 5 simple steps you need to start building your digital marketing strategy plan. This applies to all businesses, whether you are a startup or already have an established company. This is your roadmap to get to your goals in the digital marketing world. Whether you are selling mobile phones, stationery, or real estate, or whatsoever, you just name it. For those watching my video for the first time, my name is Walid, the founder of SPSC Group and the co-founder of European Elite Business Hub. I am an entrepreneur with 20 plus years in telecommunications, security, IT, IoT, and business growth. I'm here to simplify and help you grow your business with digital marketing. This digital marketing plan illustrates the market segments and the strategies required to get leads and create a reliable revenue stream. The plan will also guide you in detail on how to engage on each social media platform and which are the best social media marketing and management tools that have to be utilized efficiently and improve your SEO. A detailed, cost-effective budget plan is also a crucial aspect of the digital marketing strategy. So, what are the 5 steps you need to look into before you start? The first thing you need to start with a digital marketing strategy is to set your goals and KPIs. What could those goals be? You may want to drive brand awareness, improve online presence, expand your audience and customer base, lead generations, or even sales. Whatever goal you set, you need to clearly identify and outline why you need digital marketing. This is essential because it will help you to measure your success, and by this, you will know if digital marketing is working for you or not. Why is this important? You are using social media to build a business and not get followers or likes, which doesn't help grow your business. Your business goals have to be measurable to enable you get your return of investment. Step number 2 is to target your audience. You really need to understand the audience you are targeting. You won't believe the amount of available information on social media platforms. Using this digital technology, you can target your audience based on their demographics, which includes their gender, age range, location, income, and many more. You can even target them based on their behaviors. You will find many targeting options for the interests of the audience, their online activities. For example, maybe some like to shop online or travel or buy properties or buy vehicles or buy computers. This allows you to find their unique activities. Therefore, understanding your audience is crucial, as this will bring you what you offer directly to people interested in your products or services. Based on this information, you will be able to build a database with your audience persona. Now, let's jump into step number 3. And by the way, I will be talking in detail about every step in separate coming videos. I would love to talk about them now, but this will prolong the video to more than 1 hour. So, step number 3 is messaging. Messaging is critical, and this is where you are valuing your audience. The better you understand them, the better you will be able to make them feel understood. And that's what marketing is all about. Marketing is not about you. not about me if I'm talking to myself. It's about them. It's about your audience. You need to show them that you care. You are solving their problems. You are making them feel heard. This will evaluate you and gain your trust. Messaging is how your brand will communicate with your targeted audience, whether it is a general audience, knowledgeable, or expert. You may then decide the tone of the message. It could be a confident tone, it could be joyful, optimistic, friendly, and more. You just name it. There are many messaging strategies, and I will list the most common 3 methods that you can test right now. The first one is value propositions. Here is where your posts or ads show the customers the benefit for buying your products or services, which means you need to show your customer the strength you have in your product. What could they benefit if they buy your product? Number 2, social proofing. This is a significant way to show your customers the numbers. For example, satisfaction rates, number of people who bought your product from a specific area, number of happy customers, and many more. Number 3 is FOMO. Many of you don't know what FOMO is, but it has somehow something to do with consumer psychological effect. FOMO, F-O-M-O, stands for the fear of missing out. This can be used in your audience that is responding to this type of messaging. A lot of people have that fear of missing out. Let me give you some examples. When you see a beautiful offer for a limited time, you get the fear of missing out on that promotion. Am I right? Or it could be a special event. It could be anything. You have lots of online stores where they use FOMO. For example, Black Friday or White Friday. Am I right? I take myself as an example. Once the Black or White Friday deals are out, the first thing I do is open Amazon.com because I fear missing out those deals. Now that we have our goals set, we targeted our audience, and we understood the messaging strategy to use, we can jump to our 4th step, and that is choosing your channels. Choosing your channel depends on where you are the strongest, where most your audience is spending time, or where you have the most significant number of connections, and so on. Here are some of the most channels everyone is using. Of course, as you all know, social media. There are many platforms out there, but they are all different from each other. If you decide to go on all popular social media platforms, such as LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, or even YouTube, you will have to build a chart where you choose to start from the strongest onto the weakest one. For example, you put 70% of your posts on LinkedIn and 20% of your posts on Facebook, and so on. It all depends actually on where are your most leads going to come from. But my advice to you all is always to start and focus on only one social media platform, because if you cannot grow on one, how will you be able to grow on 10 at the same time? Build your brand on a single platform, and once you have a sufficient number of leads, you can then start building your brand on other platforms. The second channel is SEO or SEO. SEO is search engine optimization, where you build your organic search, while SEM is search engine marketing. This is where you make use of all the available tools for paid ads, such as Google Ads. There are many different search engines, such as Google, Yahoo, Bing, and many others. SEO and SEM by themselves are entirely long topics to explain. This is where you need to work hard and rank your website on the first page of the search engines. And this is not an easy task to do, which consumes lots of time and effort. The third and my favorite channel is email marketing. This is one of the most effective marketing channels to send emails to prospects and customers. Useful marketing emails convert prospects into customers and turn one-time buyers into loyal fans. There are many tools in the market where you can upload an existing client database or build a new one. The tool I prefer is MailChimp. This tool can be integrated with your website, Facebook, WordPress, and many more. And depending on the package you choose, you will get many other features. Therefore, any new registration of subscribers on the website will be automatically registered in MailChimp. And by the way, I'm not here to advertise any tools or platforms. I'm giving you the best solution out of my practice and experience to make it easy for you. My team and I have spent months testing and analyzing the best available tools in the market. The last channel I will be talking about is affiliate marketing. Well, what is affiliate marketing? It is the process by which an affiliate earns a commission from marketing your products or services. Now, how does this work? The affiliate enjoying your products, he or she can promote it to make a portion of the profit. The sales are trackable by affiliate links from one website to another. You will see many bloggers, influencers, and others promoting products on social media platforms or creating, for example, video reviews and blogs. This is how one person can promote your product to a significant number of audience in his or her network. Anyone clicking the link provided in their description under the video will be redirected to your product selling page. And by this, he earns a commission from you on the number of sales done. Once you understand and know which channels you will focus on, then it is time to go to the fifth step, which is content. Building the right content is not easy at all, especially if your competition is on a large scale. Creating a sizable organic reach is very challenging. Many businesses are now aggressively engaging on social media as they know that digital marketing is the future to achieve your sales. To create the right content, you need first to brainstorm and generate ideas on what to post about. You can do this with your colleagues, family, friends, and believe me, you will get from them an honest feedback from a customer point of view. Once you are done with the type of content, you will utilize it. And you have to know that it is vital to building a monthly scheduling plan. This can be in the form of an Excel sheet, PowerPoint slides, or whatsoever. As I said previously, I will be creating a separate video for each and every point I talked about today, because each point is a very long episode for itself. But I will tell you what types of content are there if you are working on your digital marketing now. The content can be in many different shapes. It can be as infographics, videos, photos, articles, forms, podcasts where you have audio podcasts or video podcasts. You can have video interviews and even webinars. Again, it all depends on what you sell and what services you are providing, who your audience is, and through which channels you are reaching them. As you can see, my videos will be labeled with the episode numbers, so you won't miss out any lecture in the future. Before I go deep through every point from today's video, my next episode will be about the digital marketing process and how to bring sales using the channels you choose. If you have any question or anything you want to know about digital marketing, please comment below or send me a private message and I will be really glad to help you. And if you like me to create a video about a specific digital marketing point, let me know. Now that you understand the basics of building a digital marketing strategy, go ahead, open a Word document now and start drafting. You have nothing to lose. And by the way, I provide digital marketing strategy plans for businesses. We sit with them and do a study of 1 to 3 months depending on the type and size of that business. After that, we build a very detailed 3-year strategy plan. If you need us to do that for you, let me know and I will be glad to organize a Zoom or Skype call with you. If you feel that this video helped you learn something new, please push that like button and follow our social media pages. My videos will be posted mainly on LinkedIn and YouTube. I will put down the links in the comments to make it easier for you to find us. For now, take care, stay safe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.